No pasta machines, no fancy tools, just a bowl and a spoon or a hand mixer if you're feeling lazy. Today we're gonna make German Spätzle the easy way with a small tweak that just makes everything better. Are you ready? Let's do this. For the German Spätzle, we're gonna need all-purpose flour, egg, milk, salt and butter. You know which of those is the secret ingredient? Under the video you will find a quiz. You can check there whether you guessed right. This is what I skipped, the nutmeg. I like Spätzle as plain as they are. Mix everything together until you get a thick and sticky batter. And here's the key. Beat the dough until you start to see bubbles forming. That's important for the texture. The dough should be sticky. This sticky. We're gonna wash those in a cold water right away because hot water will make the dough stick even more. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and prepare your cooking station. For me, that's a tool I will be using to make Spätzle, a bowl for ready Spätzle, a colander to drain them, a skimmer. For shaping, you've got a few options. I am using my Rösle Spätzle maker that I will link down below. If you don't have one, you can use the colander and a silicone spatula. We also own Spätzle Brett, which is a very light chopping board with a scraper. And today I'm very tempted to use a potato press. I will let you know throughout the week how this test went. I listed all the links to the products down below. Make sure that the water is not boiling, just simmering. Push or scrape the dough into the water. And don't worry about making it perfect. Spätzle is supposed to look a bit rustic. That's part of the charm. And if you like this video so far, please hit like and subscribe because this week we are going all in on Spätzle. I've got a shorts coming on different Spätzle varieties, the tools you can use and more, all going live throughout the week. Spätzle cook really fast. Once they float to the top, give them 30 more seconds, then take them out and move to the next batch. Once again, when we're done with it, we're gonna rinse this in cold water. This is the easiest way to clean it. Spätzle is very versatile. You can keep it simple with batter or go all in with cheese and crispy onions. But my personal favorite is serving them with a creamy lentils and frankfurter when the calories allow. But I will show you this recipe later on this week. And if you need some inspiration, I've got a video for you about 13 traditional German dishes with Spätzle. I'm curious, how do you like to serve your Spätzle? Let me know in the comments.